Begin this meditation by setting the intention for renewal. Knowing that each day offers us a beginning, and that with each sunrise, we emerge from the lessons of the night. With this intention set, keep the eyes open and become present with the room that you are in. Letting yourself somatically adapt to this present time and space. Letting the objects in the room slowly become more vibrant and clear. And with this subtle gaze, let this deep focus connect you to the present moment. As you slowly begin to bring your focus to your breath, breathing in and breathing out. With your next breath cycle, let the eyes gently close and let your breath begin to slow. As it connects you deeper to your physical body. With this focus on your breath and to your physical body, allow your inward gaze to flow even more inward. Taking a moment to visualize how the warmth of the sun feels as it hits your face. Knowing how this exposure to sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythms. And allow the sunlight to feel as if it were passing into your physical body. Absorbing the light as if you were a sponge. Feeling it flowing into each cell. And with a cellular awareness, offering balance to your body as a whole. Using your breath as a guide. Breathing in and breathing out. With your next breath cycle, allow your breath to flow at its own organic pace. Letting your attention flow to how your physical body feels in this moment. Bringing awareness to your left side, then your right. And allowing synchronicity to flow between the two. Continuing to use your breath as a guide. Bringing it down the length of your spine. Feeling your awareness flowing up the spine with each breath in. And down the spine with each breath out. Oxygenating each vertebrae with each breath cycle. With this further awareness of the physical body, take a moment to notice how you are feeling on an emotional and energetic level at this moment. Noticing how the breath shifts when you tune into these emotions. Taking a moment to observe this breath for the next few breath cycles and allowing it to flow exactly as it's meant to. Breathing in and breathing out. Within this awareness of the emotional body and relaxation in the physical body, allow yourself a moment to offer gratitude for the lessons of the night as you shift into the day. Taking a moment to visualize what the day ahead may look like for you. If it flowed in the best way possible. And within this space, take a brief moment to set any intentions. Slowly begin to bring your focus back into the present moment. As you take a long, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Gently opening the eyes if you haven't already, and carrying this present self-awareness with you throughout the rest of the day.